Okay, where's my headphones? Hello, hello, hello. Greetings, beautiful goddesses. Let's see, you can now add 3 people. Alright. So, it is Priestess LaMeel here, and I am popping in live. I know it is the beginning of February, but I am just now getting into my new year posting schedule. So a lot of things have happened, a lot of things have changed. If you have not already, seen it, I did do a video on YouTube today, or that went live on YouTube today, about manifesting your desires. So because I have a new program coming out, a new journey coming out, or that is now open for enrollment, we're going to be talking about manifesting over the next few days. I want to be answering questions about the manifesting Empress and manifesting in general, and hopefully getting you guys some information that you can use to manifest whatever it is that you're working on in your life right now. So part of this series, and it's going to go on all week, is sharing new and interesting techniques. So these things that I'm covering right now are not techniques that have been covered in my book. I will have a series that starts this month where I will elaborate. I'll read a technique from one of my books, and I will elaborate on that technique and ask questions and so forth. So today over here on this platform, I want to talk about meditating and how it is a technique for manifesting, right? And when you've seen this, if you are not following me over on Instagram, please do so. I'll put my handle down below. It is, of course, LaMeel. And I'm going to go live over there this evening, and I'm going to talk about a technique called the lofty question. So, meditating as a form of manifesting. So, technically, I would not say that meditation is it is not what causes the manifestation. It is not the actual manifesting technique, okay? However, you should know by now that by manifesting, and to manifest, you need to get into the frequency of what it is that you desire. And manifesting is one of the, meditating is one of the fastest ways to get into, or to become a match to the frequency of what it is that you're wanting. And yes, I'm drinking White Claw through the straw. No judgment. So there's a lot of meditation techniques. There's a lot of things out there that talks about, learning how to quiet your mind, getting control, being able to sit for hours, 30 minutes, 40 minutes at a time. The truth is, meditating for the purpose of alignment does not require hours. It does not require specific skills. What it requires is 15 minutes a day of quieting your mind. Okay, I'm going to turn off the guest request. 15 minutes a day of quieting your mind. Okay? What does that look like? Sitting and being quiet. Now, there's a couple of things that you can do to help you, right? You can use specific sounds. Guided meditations, if you prefer that, it's not bad. And I do have some on LaMeel Radio, okay, that you can listen to. When I use a guided meditation, because I do, I allow that to be the intro into my 15 minutes of silence. So I may listen to the guided meditation and then go into just a sound. You can use a sound that helps you get into the theta or alpha brainwave, but it's just a sound. One of the best sounds that I have found is the air conditioner or the heater. When it's running and it's blowing, excuse me, or if I'm in the tub and I turn the fan on in the bathroom, that sound, right? I just focus on that sound. If all you're doing is focusing on that sound, you're not thinking about anything else. You're not judging the sound that you're hearing. And what it does is it allows all the momentum to stop that is keeping you from getting into alignment, raising your frequency, and becoming a match to what it is that you are trying to manifest. So, manifesting is a alignment or high frequency technique, right? It is a method for raising your frequency so that you can become a vibrational match to what it is that you are intending to manifest. It is not specific. You don't have to spend time thinking about what it is you're trying to manifest. You don't have to do anything. It is just a matter of stopping all resistance. When you stop all of the resistance, my grandkids are having a field day in the background, but when you stop all of the resistance, right, you are able to allow what you want to come in, because there's no resistance. There's no resistant thoughts, no resistant feelings. Nothing is going on that that can hinder the flow of good vibration, of good energy, and nothing will stop you from manifesting what it is that you want. So I suggest you download an app that gives you sounds, white sounds, pink sounds, any kind of sound. 15 minutes a day, just sit and listen to it. When your mind drifts, focus back on the sound. What's the sound? And listen to the sound. And when another thought comes up, don't entertain it and don't fight it, but go, okay, focus on the sound. What does it sound like? What does the sound sound like? What is the color of this sound? Right? Those things will take you back into the sound. Set a timer, 15 minutes a day. That's it. And if you spend the whole time kind of circulating through, you know, a thought and then going back to the sound, and a thought and going back to the sound, that's okay, because eventually you'll spend more time in the sound than you do in the thoughts, and then your manifestations will come faster and faster than you ever thought. Look, that rhymed. I'm almost like a Dr. Seuss here. So if you have any questions about this particular technique, feel free to put questions down below. And if you haven't checked out the YouTube video training, be sure to do that and follow me over there. And later this evening, I will and comment, and I will see you over there.